Hi, welcome back to another episode. I now have another project car sat behind me here. After the failed attempt of the 147 that I bought last week, I'll pop a link into the video in the description below. I now have a new project to repair and complete. So let me give you a quick walk around and tell you what I think's happened to it and what needs doing to it. As you can see, the bonnet is in quite a state. Judging by the scrape marks and the gouges going in this direction, I would say that it's gone under the back of a lorry or something on a forklift or a pallet has gone straight up into it, and it's created quite a bit of damage. We've got both headlights are damaged. The front bumper has got a little bit of damage which I'm hoping to be able to repair, but it's cracked a headlight and broke the clips on the other side. We've got a rather crushed wing this side, got a damaged windscreen, a few dinks and dents down here which will come out and we can put some filler in those, and the trickiest bit to repair is going to be up here. But I'm hoping if we grind all that back so we've got bare metal, we can pull it back out, bit of filler, and repaint it, and that should look great. So it's a 1.9 Ti, a sport wagon, if you can tell from the back there, with a 19-inch Ti alloys and side skirts, and it's a 2008 plate, so it does run quite nicely. There's a few other little bits and bobs of damage around it. The front bumper's definitely going to need painting. It's going to need a good clean inside and out. From the amount of sweet wrappers inside, it was a mummy's school run car. A couple of marks on the back bumper and a bit of a scrape on this side here. But on the inside, other than a little bit of leftover glass up there, it's all present and accounted for on the inside and in pretty good condition. Onto under the bonnet, we've got some damage on the headlight support there, so we're going to need to put a new one of those on. And you can see that both the headlight clips here and here are broken, along with one of the bonnet stays has gone. But surprisingly enough, there's not much damage under the engine bay. All the radiators are okay, there's no fluid loss. Engine starts first push of the button. It was sold to me as a non-runner, and I did find out that the reason it wasn't running is because during the accident the battery got damaged. As you can see, it's got a major crack in it there, and all the fluids leaked out of it, so that's why the car wouldn't start, because it didn't have a decent battery on it. So I've now fitted a new battery to it. It now starts first turn of the key and runs absolutely sweet. Let's just remove the engine cover. All under here, just make sure there's no damage on it, as being as that battery was crushed. There is a little bit of damage on this ECU connector here, but it is holding and starting fine. Obviously, I did imagine that some of these pipes would have been bent, but no, they're all fine. Intake manifold is all good. There's nothing else cracked or damaged. There's absolutely no structural damage to it whatsoever. So everything that needs repairing on it is pretty much just bolt-on repairs. On to another update now. I have installed a second ramp into the unit now, so I can do twice as much work at the same time if needed, because I was finding on jobs I was getting stuck and a car was stuck on the ramp when parts didn't arrive or the wrong parts arrived, which surprisingly enough does happen quite often. So that means I put the GTV on the ramp now and the engine can start to come out of that as soon as I get some free time. But mainly I need to earn some pennies on this one, so I'm going to start to repair this, strip it all the way back down. I have got another bonnet for it in the same colour, but it's probably going to need painting anyway. I've got another wing, hoping to repair the front bumper. If not, I will order another front bumper. As I said, I've already got the headlights and I've already got the slam panel in. Hopefully the bonnet catch might be salvageable. We shall see when we take that apart. So in the next episode I shall be stripping it all back and test fitting a wing and a bonnet. And then we can get on to paintwork and repairing the damage at the back here. I don't get paid for doing any of these videos, so I'd like to up my subscribers so I can get monetised and start earning a little bit of money so I can pay for updating cameras and things like that. So please share the video, and if you are watching this, please subscribe. As I say, I do want to get as many subscribers as possible now so I can carry on doing these videos for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.